Good morning, students. We are taking the problems of the chapter polynomial. We have take some practice problem, and today also we are going to take some practice problems. See, first example is if a plus b plus c equal to 15, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 83, then find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. ही व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. नाउ वी हॅव द फॉर्म्युला फॉर धिस टर्म. व्हॉट इज फॉर्म्युला? ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब. आय हॅव गिवन यू आयडेंटिटी minus 3abc is equal to 1. The best identity, last identity I have given to you is equal to a plus b plus c in first bracket, and in second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. These are the two brackets. But we have only the value of a plus b plus c. We don't again a square plus b square plus c square, but we do not have this value. How to find this value? We have again one formula, or first put these values. Take it easy. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, the value of a plus b plus c is 15. A square plus b square plus c square, the value is 83, minus ab minus ab minus bc minus ac, that is which is equal to 15, and in bracket 83 take minus side out, then AB plus BC plus AC. Now we have to find this value. We don't have this value. For this value, put the formula. What is formula? A plus B plus C bracket square. We have the identity A plus B plus C bracket square is equal to, what is this identity? It is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. From this a square plus b square plus c square, we can take 2 common, ab plus bc plus ac. Now the values which we know, put this value. We know the value of a plus b plus c, it is equal to 15. 15 square is equal to, we have the value of a square plus b square plus c square. This value is 83, plus 2 into AB plus BC plus AC, that is 15 square is 225 is equal to 83 plus 2 into this value we have to find AB plus BC plus AC. Take this 83 here. 225 minus 83 is equal to 2 times AB plus BC plus AC. This subtraction is 5 minus 3, 2. 22 minus 8 is 14 is equal to 2 times AB plus BC plus AC. Therefore, AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 142 upon 2. That is, we get the value of AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 71. Put this value of AB plus BC plus AC in this equation. What is we have to find the value. Our target is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 15 in bracket 83 minus ab plus bc plus ac. Now put this value, it is equal to 15. 83 minus the value of this is 71, that is equal to 15 into 3 minus 1 is 2, 8 minus 7 is 12. 15 into 12, which is equal to 180. We got the answer. Now second example is factorize the polynomial. See, factorization of polynomial is one of the tedious work. We don't have any specific rule for factorization. We just only have to observe the example and factorize it so that we get the linear factor. See this, what is the polynomial? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. First arrange the polynomial in a decreasing order of its index. X cube, x square, x raised to 1 and x raised to 0. Now it is in the decreasing order. We cannot take from first two terms as a x square common. If we take x square as a common, then we get x minus 3, but here is no factor x minus 3. So arrange this minus 3x square so that we can get one fixed factor. How can? See, if we arrange x cube minus 3x as plus x square minus 4x square, plus x square minus 4x square, I have got minus 4x square. So arrange 9 as a addition of 4 and 5 so that we can get 4 as a common. So the factors of minus 9x are minus 4x minus 5x minus 5. See what I have done. I have arranged these two factors. Instead of minus 3x square and minus 9x, it is equal to, now x cube plus x square minus 4x square minus 4x minus 5x minus 5. Now take common from these first two factors, from another two and from next two. From these first two terms we can take common as a x square. If I have take x square as a common, then the remaining term is x plus 1 minus, from this if I have take common 4 and x, 4x, then the remaining term is x, as minus sign is outside the bracket, x plus 1. From this I can take common 5, x plus 1. Now x plus 1 is common to all these three terms. We can take x plus common outside and the remaining are x square minus 4x minus 5. Now it is easy. X square minus 4x is the quadratic polynomial, and this quadratic polynomial can be factorized by any method. If you know the formula, you can use formula method, factorization method, any method. See, I can factorize minus 5 as factor minus 5 so that the product is minus 5 and the addition or subtraction will be minus 4. The factors of minus 5 are 1 and 5. Give here minus sign to the bigger number minus, and now adjust the sign of the next term. As the product is minus, this sign will be plus so that we get the minus product. Now x plus 1, factors of this are x square minus 5x plus x minus 5, that is x plus 1 From this we can take common x, the remaining is x minus 5. Here there is no term for the common and we can take 1 as a common, x minus 5. That is, the factors are x plus 1. From this x minus 5 and again x plus 1. These are the factors of the given polynomial. We should get the linear factors of the polynomial. Now second term we will factorize x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. We have to factorize this term. Now again do the arrangement as first. What is x cube plus 13x and here is 32x. Arrange 13x as a x square plus 12x, and we know that 32 is the addition of 12 and 20. Therefore 32, arrange 32 as a 12x plus 20x plus 20. Now do the factors in the first example, like that is x square is common, x plus 1 plus here 12x is common, the factor is x plus 1. Again 20 is common, the remaining term is x plus 1, that is x plus 1, and next bracket will be x square plus 12x plus 20. Again we have get the quadratic polynomial. Factorize 20 so that product will be 20 and addition will be 12. Which factors does the 20 have? 10 into 2. Since there is no problem of sign, all signs are positive. 10 is also positive and 2 is also positive. Therefore x plus 1, and these factors are x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20, that is x plus 1. From this x is common, x plus 10 plus 2 is common, x plus 10, that is x plus 1. X plus 10 is common to both these terms, therefore x plus 10, and another is x plus 2. These are the linear factors of the given polynomial. In this method we have to factorize the given polynomial.